Hey, with this template, you can easily reach new subscribers for your WhatsApp newsletter, and of course, it's 100% GDPR compliant. The WhatsApp newsletter helps you build a valuable relationship with your customers because you're reaching them where they communicate with their friends and acquaintances. This way, you achieve an opening rate of over 95%, getting much closer to your customers compared to an email newsletter. I'll show you how to set up the automation in just 3 minutes and start generating your first subscribers. To get to the template, select the Sales and Marketing category from the template gallery and then the template titled WhatsApp Automation for GDPR compliant newsletters with segmentation. Here a pop-up will open and you can see the template in action and even try it out yourself via the QR code. To use it for yourself, click the button at the bottom left. Now the automations builder will open and you'll see the automation already fully built for you. Additionally, there is a note element to the left of the automation that shows you what you can use the automation for and how to set it up. We'll go through these steps together now. First, you need to select your WhatsApp account as the communication channel in the first note. When someone sends a message with the words newsletter subscribe, this person will be subscribed to the newsletter. This happens because SuperChat recognizes this keyword and then initiates the next step, which is sending a confirmation message and then adding the contact to a contact list. This contact list we're gonna specify ourselves now. To do this, click on the node and simply select the list with the desired newsletter. Next comes the segmentation question. We want to differentiate between contacts who want to receive the newsletter weekly and those who want it only monthly. The message for this is already pre-formulated. Here we just need to select the corresponding attributes and the 2 update contact nodes. And to do this, we go into the node and create a new attribute because it doesn't exist yet in our case. In the new window, click on New Contact Attribute at the top right and enter the name and data type. Then you can close the tab and see the corresponding attribute in the list. In the attribute, select that the answer from the previous node will be taken as the value. This means that the field in the contact will now show weekly or monthly, depending on which of those 2 answer options was chosen. Repeat this for the second update contact node. Now let's take a quick look at what happens when the contact no longer wants to be part of the newsletter. We receive the message newsletter unsubscribe. This will trigger a confirmation of the unsubscription and the contact will be removed from the newsletter list. Again, select the appropriate contact list in the node here. So, we have now completed all the necessary steps in the automation. You can rename the automation as you like or activate it directly via the button at the top right. Alright, the automation is ready. But how do you get as many signups as possible? For this, we've built the touchpoint generator. Click the link in the node in the automation and you can quickly create flyers and social media posts with a QR code for your newsletter sign-up. You can display these in your store or share them across all your social media channels. And when a customer scans the QR code with their smartphone, WhatsApp opens automatically with the keyword for the newsletter sign-up pre-filled. They just need to send the message and they're subscribed. In the touchpoint generator, simply enter your website and select opt-in for WhatsApp newsletter on the right. Below that, enter your WhatsApp number, company name, and the opt-in word, which is the word specified in the automation's message content node. In most cases, this is subscribe. You can then customize the text, colors, and formats you need. You're now ready to preview the materials or generate them directly. And that's how easy it is. As you saw in the automation, it just takes a few clicks to go live. And with our touchpoint generator, you can easily create materials to turn all your customers into subscribers. So let's go have fun automating.